Good morning children, I am KSN sir working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Vincent school. In previous class I have explained the factors and multiples. Today also we have to continue the same topic, factors and multiples only. So in this topic you have to open page number 130 studio book. See, a few multiples of numbers 14 and 18 are given prime factorization, then a few have been done for you. So multiples of 14, multiples of 14. Multiples of 18. So 14 is equal to 2 7 ja. 28 is equal to 2 into 7. Next 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. Next 56 is equal to 2 into 7. Okay. Next 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. Okay. Next 84 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Next 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 36 is equal to 54 is equal to 54. Next 72 is equal to 90 is equal to 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 5 is 90. Next 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So observe the pattern in the HCF. So what will be the HCF of 42 and 56? 42 and 56. The question is, what will be the HCF of 42 and 56? Then 42 and 56. 42 and 56. Highest common factor. Okay. 14 is the highest common factor. 2 7 is 14. Here 2. Here 7. 2 2 7 7. 2 7 is 14 is the highest common factor. Okay. Next, what will be the HCF of 70 and 84? Next, what will be the HCF of 70 and 84? 70 and 84. Yes. This. So 2, 2, 7, 7. So 14. The highest common factor is 14. Okay, na? Next, what will be the HCF of 18 and 36? 18 and 36. Next, 90 and 108. 90 and 108. Observe here. So 18 and 36. These two. 18 and 36. So 2 is the common factor. 2 is the common factor. 1 3 is the common factor. 1 3 is the common. 2. Next, one more 3. So 2 into 18. So what is the highest common factor? 18. Next, 90 and 108. This 2, 2. Next, 3, 3, 3, 3, 18. So what will be the HCF of 18 and 36? 18. What will be the HCF of 90 and 108? Also 18. Okay, children. How to find out? Just to see. This is 2 common factor. This is 7. Then you multiply. 2 7s are 14. This is 2, 2. This is 7, 7. You multiply this. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Here 2. Next to 1 3. And here 1 3, 1 3. Multiply. 2 3 is 6. 6 3 is 18. Okay. This is the way we have to find out. Okay. By using multiples. Multiples of 14 and multiples of 18. Okay, children. Observe this pattern. Next, observe this question. Divya has a red ribbon that is 560 centimeter long and a blue ribbon that is 70 centimeter long. She wants to divide both the ribbons into strips of same length and of the longest possible length. Okay. So 560 centimeters long and 70 centimeter long. She wants to divide both the ribbons. She wants to divide both the ribbons into strips, same length and of the longest possible length. What should do find this cut? Okay. So what we have to do this? Observe. The common factors of 560 and 770 would give the common length into which ribbons can be divided equally. Find the HCF would give the longest common length of the strips. So what we have to find? HCF. Observe here. 560 is equal to prime factorization. First 56 tens are. 56 means 7 8s are. So 7 into 8 into 10. So 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Same. 770 is equal to 77 into 10. Next 7 11s are 77. 2 5s are 10. So the common factors are 2. Just you have to round up. 2, 5 and 7. That 3 multiply. 2 5s are 10, 10 7 is 70. So the common HCF is equal to 70 centimeter. So Divya has to cut both the ribbons into strips of 70 centimeter each. Okay. Next. This is I will explain on the blackboard. Please wait. Next, complete the figure 3 with the factors of 4 and 15. So factors of 4 and factors of 15. So factors of 4 1, 2, 4. Factors of 15 1, 3, 5, 15. Now, so what about the common factor 1, then 2, 4 here, 3, 5, 15 here. So this is the factors of 4. This is factors of 15. Okay. Next. This is a common factor. Next to both. Next to the numbers 4 and 15 have only one factors in common. We can say that 1 is the only common factor for the numbers 4 and 15. Such the numbers are called co-prime numbers. So observe here the concept of co-prime numbers. So what about co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers means, suppose the 4 and 15, the both have only one is the common factor. If any two numbers have only one common factor, only one is the only common factor, then that numbers are called co-prime numbers. So 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Example, 4 and 15. 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. This is the one example. Okay. Next, do they have more than one common factor for 8 and 12? 8 and 12. Observe here, 8 and 12. More than common factors. One is a common factor, 2 is the common factor, 4 is the common factor. So that's why these two are 8 and 12 are not a co-prime numbers. Next, okay, 14 and 25 co-prime. 14 and 25, yes. 14 and 25, they have a only common factor 1. Okay, that's why these two are co-prime numbers. Okay, next. So what can you say about the HCF? HCF is equal to, what about the HCF? HCF is equal to 1 only. Okay, what about the HCF of 4 and 15? What is the highest common factor? Common factor only 1. No? What about the highest common factor? 1 only. So HCF of 4 and 15 is equal to 1. HCF of 14 and 25 is equal to 1 only. Children, observe, if there is a no common factor other than 1, then it will become a HCF. Why? Because the highest common factor 1, no? Then what is highest common factor? The same thing, 1 only. That's why HCF of 4 and 15 is equal to 1. Okay. So in another way also we can define about the co-prime numbers. That is, if any two numbers have HCF is 1, then the numbers are co-prime numbers only. Okay. If their HCF is 1, then the numbers are co-prime numbers only. So this is the another way we can define about co-prime numbers. Children, observe this one. Next. This practice questions. Find the HCF of the following numbers pairs using the listing method. Okay, this one you can do your own practice questions. Okay, just a student should be able to analyze the above problem to find the HCF using any of the method learned. Any method you can do this. Okay. Next. Find the highest common factor for a pair of numbers. Yes, I can. Find pair of co-prime numbers. Yes, I can. Solve real life problems using HCF. Yes, I can. Okay. Next, I am a common factor of 60 and 100. I am divisible by 4. I am an even number greater than 4. Who am I? Okay. So 60 and 100. So I am a common factor of 60 and 100. So what we have to find? HCF we have to find. Okay, na? HCF, I am a common factor of 60 and 100. I am divisible by 4. So first of all, common factors we have to write. Next, the highest common factor we have to find. That is what? HCF. Who am I? That is HCF. Okay. What about the HCF? 20 only. Then 20, I am divisible by 4. Yes, 20 is divisible by 4. I am an even number. 20 is an even number. Greater than 4. Yes, it is greater than 4 only. Okay, children, this is in the page number 135. In next class I will explain the remaining things. This is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Now I will give you the homework. Okay. So homework. Page number 130, 131, 132, 135. Okay, what I have explained in these pages, that problems you have to do practice. Concentrately watch the video and observe the PDF file and write the studio book, and the same way you have to do practice all these sums once again. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.